Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So let's begin with our discussion on today's topic, that is conjunctions and interjections. So conjunctions is a word that joins two words or sentences. It does no other function. It has two types: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunction. So I'm going to discuss about first coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction is a word that joins two clauses of equal rank and form compound sentences. That is and, but, or, nor, yet, so. In order to learn this concept of coordinating conjunctions, you need to learn the concept of fanboy. So it will be easier for you to learn the concept of coordinating conjunction, as you can see in the picture. So I'm going to use this coordinating conjunctions in the examples. The first one is, he won the match and we all congratulated him. So in this sentence, he won the match is basically an independent clause. We all congratulated him is also an independent clause. So we join two independent clause of equal rank while using coordinating conjunction, that is and. Now in the second sentence, you can eat your cake with a spoon or fork. So you need to join or. You are using or for joining two things like spoon or fork. The third sentence is, my dog enjoys being bathed, that is an independent clause, hates getting his nails trimmed, that is also an independent clause. So you joined these two clauses and you used but in order to join these two clauses of equal rank. In the fourth sentence, Bill refuses to eat peas, nor will he touch carrots. So in this sentence, Bill refuses to eat peas or he touch carrot basically is an independent clause. So you need to join these two clauses while using an coordinating conjunction, that is nor. In the fifth sentence, I hate to waste a drop of gas, for it is very expensive these days. I hate to waste a drop of gas is basically an independent clause. It is very expensive these days is also an independent clause. So you join two clauses of equal rank while using as coordinating conjunction, that is for. The second type of conjunction is subordinating conjunction. It is a word that joins a main and a dependent clause. It forms complex sentences. It includes because, as, after, before, when, where, while, that, though, although, and many other, as you can see in the picture. Now I'm going to use all of these subordinating conjunctions in a sentence. In the first sentence, as he resigned from the job is an independent clause. His worry started is a dependent clause that depends upon as he resigned from the job. So you need to join it with using so as a subordinating conjunction. In the second sentence, Robin was not allowed in the Batmobile any longer is a independent clause, while he would not wear a seat belt is a dependent clause. So he would not wear a seat belt depends upon Robin was not allowed in the Batmobile any longer. So you use because in order to join these two clauses which are not in equal rank. My life will be blessed, that is an independent clause. I fulfill his dream, that is a dependent clause. So we need a subordinating conjunction, that is if. I did not have so many friends, that is an independent clause. I was admitted to college, that is a dependent clause that depends upon the first clause, that is I did not have so many friends. So we use until, that is a subordinating conjunction. In the fifth sentence, they came to talk to me, that is an independent clause. I entered the classroom, that is dependent clause. So we need to join it as soon as in order to convey complete sense. The second topic is interjections. Interjections is a word that expresses a feeling. For example, alas, hurrah, bravo, good gracious, yahoo, wow, and many other as well. For example, alas, she missed a chance. Bravo, we won the match. Good gracious, you back. Yahoo, I got a job. Wow, what a beautiful car. So in all of these sentences, alas, bravo, good gracious, yahoo, wow, all of these 6 expressions or 5 expressions basically express feeling of someone. So interjections we use when we want to express our feelings. And that's all from my side. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.